Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn how to design your coloring book page in Adobe Illustrator. So friend, if you don't have Adobe Illustrator, then you can also use other vector editing programs like Gravit Designer. So friend, go to your browser and type Gravit Designer and you can get it for free, which is a amazing vector editing program. Friend, without any further delay, let's dive right into the video. And first of all, let's go to Chrome. So friend, first of all, we are going to go to pixabay.com. As you guys probably know, Pixabay is a free stock image website. It has also got high quality videos and musics. So friend, first of all, go to pixabay.com and all of the images that you get in this website is free for use in any of your commercial projects, including your print on demand business. So friend, you can use all of the images from this website in your books without any restrictions. So friend, go to pixabay.com and first of all, before starting, what I would like to suggest is, first of all, pick a niche that you want to publish a book in. So friend, let's say for example, in this scenario, we are going to make a kids coloring book related to animals. So friend, in this scenario, what we are going to do is search different animals in this website. So friend, first of all, what we are going to do is search an animal. So friend, let's say for example, we are going to make a kids animal coloring book. So friend, first of all, let's search cat. So friend, and what you have to make sure is go to this drop down menu and search for vector graphics here. So friend, as you can see, you can get various different vector graphics of different cats here. So friend, as you can see, different vector graphics. So friend, you can use all of these images in your coloring book page without any restrictions. So friend, Pixabay is an amazing website because it's totally free to use, and if you do some research, you can find some great images here. So friend, as you can see, so friend, for this example purpose, let's use this image here. So friend, after selecting your image, what you have to do is click this free download button, and what you have to make sure is you have to make an ID with Pixabay to download the image at the highest quality, which in this case is vector graphics. So friend, make sure to log into your account and you can download your image for free and hit the download button. So friend, after your image has been downloaded, what we are going to do is we are going to go to Adobe Illustrator here. Open your Adobe Illustrator or any other graphic designer vector editing program that you have. Then what we are going to do is go to this file tab here and we are going to hit this new button here. So friend, let's name it coloring book page. So friend, as you might know, let's select inches here. So friend, as you might know, the widely used size of coloring book page is 8.5 by 11 inches. So we are going to use 8.5 by 11 inches here. So friend, we are going to use 0.125 bleed here. If your document doesn't have got bleed, then you can leave this at 0 points. So friend, after that, hit this OK button and this artboard will appear on your window. So friend, after this has appeared, what we are going to do is we are going to go to our browser again and select this downloaded file and drag it and drop at this artboard that we have created. So friend, now this will open in a new window. So friend, now what we are going to do is we are going to select all of these images and we are going to go to this object and hit this group, or you can also press Ctrl+G here. So friend, now after grouping all of this, what we are going to do is select this image and press Ctrl+C to copy and go to the artboard that we have created and hit paste. So friend, all we have done is pasted the document in the artboard that we have created. So friend, now what we are going to do is we are going to align this image so that it fits perfectly So friend, let's align it. So friend, after aligning this, what we are going to do is we are going to select this image and we are going to go to this object tab here and press on group here, or shift plus control plus G for shortcut. So after pressing this, all of the elements act as individual elements. So friend, as you might see that our coloring book is not yet ready because this is a already colored artwork. So what we are going to do is we are going to remove the colors from this artboard. So friend, now I am going to show you a simplest method to remove the color from this artwork. So what we are going to do is, after ungrouping the elements, we are going to select different elements. So friend, the way to select different elements is, first of all, press at one element here. So friend, as you can see, it shows this fill color here. As you can see, this is the fill color and this is the stroke color here. So friend, for example purpose, let me show you by selecting only one element and removing its color. So friend, first of all, let's select this one only. So friend, as you can see, this is the fill color, this is the stroke color. So friend, what we want in this purpose is we want to keep the stroke as it is and we want to change the fill color. So friend, what we are going to do is double click this fill color and we are going to make it completely white and press OK. So friend, as you can see, this fill color is removed. So friend, now what we are going to do is we are going to select all other elements. What we are going to do is just click this fill here and all of the elements are selected. So friend, now hit shift in your keyboard and keep on selecting all the elements. Shift and select all the elements. As you can see, all of the elements are selected. So friend, select all of the elements by selecting shift. So friend, I am just selecting various different elements here by pressing shift and pressing different elements. So friend, as you can see, sorry for the mistake here, I have to do it all over again. So friend, as you can see, you have to be very careful while doing this, otherwise your selection might get unselected. So what we can also do is, after doing certain selections, so friend, as you can see, I have selected different parts here. What we can do is select this. As you can see, this here color is showing, fill color is showing unknown here because we have two different fill colors here. So what we are going to do is select this fill and change all of the fill color to white and press OK. So friend, as you can see, we have successfully. So friend, now for further purpose, you can keep on repeating what I have just shown you. So friend, let's make it white. So friend, you have to be careful, otherwise you might undo other elements. So carefully select the elements and change the fill color to white. So friend, as you can see, we have successfully created this beautiful cat image here. So friend, now what we can do is we can select all of this image and we can press Ctrl G, or we can go to this object and group the element. So friend, after that, what we are going to do is we are going to go to this rectangle tool here and we are going to press W. No, we are going to go to this rectangle tool here, and what we are going to do is we are going to go to this view tab here, and we are going to go to guides, and we are going to go to rulers here, and we are going to click this show rulers tab here. So friend, after rulers has been shown, what we are going to do is we are going to place one ruler at 0.5 inches. We are going to place another ruler at 0.75 inches, and we are going to similarly we are going to place this ruler at 8 inches, which will give us a margin of 0.5 inches, and we are going to place similarly another ruler at 10.5 inches. So friend, now what we are going to do is we are going to align this image accordingly. So friend, as you can see, our cat is inside these margins here. So friend, it's very important to keep these margins, because if you don't take into account the margins, then your image might get stuck in the spine. So make sure to check your margins wisely. So friend, now what we are going to do is select this rectangle tool and draw a rectangle in this margin. So friend, after drawing a rectangle here, we are going to stroke it to black and change the stroke size to about 10 points. So friend, after that what we are going to do is go to this appearance tab and click this stroke and align stroke to inside. We are going to align it to inside. So friend, after doing that, our coloring book page is ready. So friend, let's decrease its size little bit so that it doesn't touch the borders. So friend, as you can see, this beautiful cat coloring page is ready. So friend, you can do this with other different animals. You can come up with 20 different animals and search those animals on pixabay.com, and similarly make the coloring pages within a matter of minutes and compile those and sell it on Amazon KDP. So friend, I hope you found this tutorial of some help. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.